Hello YouTube and welcome to another Linux tutorial. So in this video I will show you how you can test the read and write speed of your hard drive. So we're gonna benchmark actually our hard drive. So as you may know, there are a lot of graphical user interfaces to do that, but here as we are connecting to our server which has no GUI, we are just using here a command line command called dd. So this command exists by default in most Linux distributions like Red Hat, CentOS, Ubuntu, you name it. So no need to install extra packages. All you have to do is to log on to your system and execute this command. So are you ready? Let's get started. So first of all, let me connect to my server here. So I'm connecting using the root here, but you can connect also using a normal actually user. But in order to avoid any permissions, it's better to connect using the root login. Okay. So here I'm logged using my root here password, and I am on my CentOS server now. Okay, so as I told you, I'll be here using a command called dd. So dd actually stands for disk destroyer. So it's used to format actually a partition or actually change the format of an input file into another format of the output file. But here we'll be using it in order to test the read and write speed of our hard drive. So remember, you don't need to install it. It's there by default in most operating systems. So let's go now. So this is the command. So as you can see here, ddef. So EIF actually stands for input file. So here we'll be using dev0, and for the output file, which is OF, we'll be using a null file. Okay, and of course the sync command, which actually will synchronize our hard drive, will synchronize the input and output of our hard drive. And all you have to do is just to run this command and to hit the enter key. Of course you have to stop it, but after a lapse of time, in order to get the result. And if you want to stop it, the most common way is to hit Ctrl+C in your keyboard. Okay, so when you hit the Ctrl+C into your keyboard, you will get the final result. Okay, so here we go. So as you can see here, we get the result. We have actually copied an amount of 12 gigabytes, and we get the result, which is in this case 380 megabytes per second. So this is our read speed. So remember, I'm using actually an old hard drive, mechanical hard drive. That's why I get this value here. But I will advise you to actually execute this command 3 times or 4 times and get the average in order to get the most accurate result. Okay, so always remember it. You should run this command 3 times, 4 times, get the average in order to get the most accurate result. Okay, so let's move on now to the write speed. So in order to get the write speed, I will also using the same command here. Okay, so this is our command. So as you can see here, we have also as an input file dev0 /dev/0 actually, which is the empty file. And for our output file, we are using here a bench file. You can name it whatever you want. Here I'm just name it bench as benchmark. And the block size here is 4 kilobytes, okay? And we are running this block size actually 2 million times. And of course we have our sync command, and at the end we have to remove the file that we have been using in order to get the result. So all you have to do is to execute this command, to hit enter, and this time you don't need actually to stop it using Ctrl+C. No, it will stop automatically because we have provided all the necessary options, and you get the result. As you can see here, it's 69.2 megabytes per second. So this is our write speed, and of course it's prompting me for removing the file, so you can just get rid of it by hitting yes, and you have your result. And as the first command, you should execute also this command many times and get the average in order to get the most accurate result. So let's see once again. Normally we should get action average as 69 also. So this is the result we have, 71. So it's approximately equal to the first test. So you can have here an overview of the write speed of our hard disk. So these two commands are very interesting if you want to get the performance of your hard disk. And remember here I'm just using a mechanical hard drive, quite old one. So if you want to get actually the most fast speed, you should use SSD drives, okay, which are better in performance in read and write speed. So you can multiply the values by 3 times or 4 times if you are using SSD drives, okay. So that was just a brief introduction how to use the dd command in order to get actually the read and write speed of your hard drive. As always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.